If you're seeing a Framer error and your page is not loading correctly, don't worry, there are a few quick fixes you can try right now. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest step-by-step methods to get Framer working again, and I'll keep it fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. If this kind of tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, refresh the page using Ctrl plus Shift plus R. This is a hard refresh, and it forces your browser to reload the page without using the cached version. Sometimes the issue is just an old file or broken page data, and a hard refresh can fix it instantly. If the problem is still there, the next thing to do is check the Framer status page for outages. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all, but with Framer's servers. If there's a temporary outage, you may just need to wait until service is restored. Next, close and reopen your browser. This can clear out temporary session problems and fix loading errors that happen after the browser has been open for too long. After reopening, go back to Framer and test it again. If the error continues, clear your browser cache from settings. Cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop Framer from loading properly. Go into your browser settings, find the privacy or browsing data section, and clear the cached images and files. Then reload Framer and see if the issue is gone. Another good fix is to open Framer in another browser. For example, if you were using Chrome, try Firefox, Edge, or Safari. This helps you figure out whether the issue is coming from your current browser or from Framer itself. If Framer works in another browser, then the next step is to disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. These extensions can interfere with Framer scripts and cause errors, broken pages, or blank screens. Turn them off one by one, then refresh Framer again to see if the problem is resolved. By going through these steps in order, you can usually fix the most common Framer errors without needing anything complicated. Start with the hard refresh, then check for outages, restart your browser, clear your cache, test another browser, and finally disable extensions if needed. If this tutorial helped you solve the issue, please like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.